Burn the heat on the other side. Alright, what are you eating now?
I have no idea, but I'll show you.
That looks to me like a bird eye chilli. You've bitten the end off it, which we missed, but you're looking pretty red, so I'm obviously thinking that's quite hot.
It's hot for me, to be honest. I'm shaking and still drinking a bit of milk, but I've got to do a bit more.
Yeah, come on, at least half of it. It's about 60,000, aren't they? Something like that?
So what
60 to 100,000, I think.
Check that.
Give it. Does it smell pretty ripe?
It's burning my tongue still, and the milk's not sorted it out.
No, it will last a little while. You get burned with the actual chilies, you see. It's different to the sauce. The chili burn just comes and goes like a wave. Go on, son.
100,000 to 225,000 Scovilles.
Oh wow, okay. That's pretty good. Well done, mate. Stick with it.
That's too hot, man.
Come on, you may as well polish it off while you're there. Come on, just eat it.
Has it gone?
No. Go on, eat the whole thing right now and then it will go.
It won't go.
You're going to make it last longer if you leave it.
I've got to do it, I'm a bit washed out.
Hello?
On, down the milk.
Which one do you want me to look at?
Keep the tongue in it.
Just pour it on your face.
You know the model, I gave you model PG.
Oh right, okay.
And
You're going to do it?
they already got.
Officially, we'll sit out on the rest of that.
Alright, here you go.
One.
Film me. Film
Okay,
me.
fine.
You're going to have to finish it off.
DoneyKebab
aren't
So just
finishing
replace
it.
these ones.
Yeah, so just
Purple.
like give me those images with transparent.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
I can't even film it, mate. It's killing my mouth.
Put them, drop them. And
That's
then
not too bad. It's pretty warm, but
earlier we put
Same
that.
size as
kind of
the-
used to it, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Definitely get burned, though, don't you?
I'm burning.
Same for them, please.
Yes,
What's happening?
Well played.
Just give me
Oh, I've got
bad.
hiccups now.
I'm an amateur on
They
this.
will change
My
code as
my
well.
tongue is
Yeah,
just
okay.
destroyed.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Easy one to do.
Take your bloody.
Hey, yeah, you did it all.
Nah, don't finish the last bit off.
Oh, you done it. Nice.
You do a lot of it though.
It's hot. Ooh.
This tongue is so destroyed.
Oh, I got hiccups now from eating that.
Yeah, I have hiccups. I got in my pasta.
Mm. Very good, mate.
Back in the game a bit now.
Feeling a bit better. Is it feeling it subside now?
I don't know, it's the back of my throat there.
Yeah. Same here actually, like sort of here, in there, a little bit, in there.
Just what's the point of this feeling though? I don't understand.
I don't understand.
What's the point of it?
I don't know, you were the one that wanted to do it. You tell me.
There is just no point to these chilies.
I do it for the views. I don't know about you. You're doing it for the views as well, but on my channel, so it's fine.
I want to be an internet celebrity.
You should, why not? I added myself to Wikipedia the other day on the Butch tea.
Oh, really?
Yeah, saying some nutters like to eat these chilies, and I put a link, but it got taken down like straight away.
Anyway, I'm going to
You're going to sign off now.
sign off for your
Alright.
YouTube channel.
Don't drink that Coke, that's going to make it worse.
Just want to drink Coke.
Drink the milk. Alright, see you later then.
See you later, mate.
Bye bye everyone.